AlgoPRO trading has been gaining attention as a powerful tool for automated trading. Designed to simplify trading in markets like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrency, it promises to save time and improve efficiency by executing trades using advanced algorithms. But is it worth the hype? Here's a quick review to help you decide. Key features: AlgoPRO stands out for its versatility and user-friendly design. It offers pre-built strategies for beginners, making it accessible even if you're new to trading. For experienced traders, the platform allows customization of trading strategies, including parameters like risk tolerance, trade size, and stop-loss settings. This flexibility ensures that the tool caters to a wide range of users. Another highlight is the platform's real-time analytics. AlgoPRO provides performance metrics and market insights, allowing you to evaluate and refine your strategies as you go. Additionally, its multi-market functionality lets you trade across different asset classes without needing separate tools. AlgoPRO's performance largely depends on market conditions and the strategies you choose. While it's not a guaranteed profit machine, the automation can significantly reduce human errors in emotional trading decisions. Many users report better efficiency and consistency compared to manual trading, especially when using well-tested strategies. Cost and accessibility: AlgoPRO offers various pricing plans, from basic packages for casual traders to premium options for professionals. The pricing is competitive, considering the range of features included, but it's worth testing the free trial or demo mode before committing to a subscription. Conclusion: if you're looking for a reliable automated trading tool, AlgoPRO Trading is a solid choice. It combines ease of use with advanced customization options, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. While it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, it can be a valuable asset for those looking to save time and trade more efficiently. Give it a try and see if it fits your trading style.